how do I know to, what do I do? What is my body telling me? How do I know if something's wrong? So here's the thing, and the beauty of Chinese medicine. 3,000 years ago, they found out that symptoms that your body that your body experiences, if you group them into the right group in the same correlate into the, I would say the right group, it can give you pointers to which organ you need to go look at. So headaches, you can have a headache anywhere in your head, right? What is that? You're like, oh, it's just a headache. Okay, what does that tell me, right? From a Western medicine standpoint, most headaches, I'll say majority headaches, are caused by neck problems. This is why chiropractors are really good at helping people, alleviate their headaches and migraines, right? There's hormone problems, hormone causes, right? There's other neurological brain problems. But still, these don't tell you which organ is functioning, right? You want to find an organ, the root cause is always some type of organ dysfunction, because your organs are what help you heal your body.